In this video, I will show you how you can clear all the waves, and when all the waves is finished, show another text. For example, cleared all the waves. Let me finish all the waves right now. This is wave 2 now. It will show the wave 2. Just wait for the enemies. That's it. Now we are in wave 3. If we destroy these two enemies, let's just wait, they are slow. Destroy them. You can see it says cleared all waves. Let's see how we can do that. For doing that, we need another event. We can call it last wave event, right? So in our spawn manager, I want to create a event and I want to call it last wave, right? But when can we show the last event? We can check it in our increase level. In increase level, we will check if the current wave was bigger than the length of this data table that right now it is 3. You can see we have 3 waves, so the length of it will be 3. If the current wave was bigger than the length of the data table of the waves, it means we did the last wave and we can call the last wave. Let's see if we can do that. In here, I want to grab all of these. I want to get the data table. Get data table. This time, I want to get the row names. So what this will give us, if we select the DT waves, it will give us all the names of all the rows. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. It will give us all of these rows inside an array. And we can check these array length. Just search for length. So it will give us the length of our data table. This time it is 3. Now with that done, let me make some more space. We want to check the current wave. If the current wave after increasing it was more than the length of this data table, in that case we want to check it with a branch like this. Bring all of this down. If the current wave was bigger than the length of our data table, what we want to do, we want to call this last wave. Call it just like this. You don't need to pass anything there. After calling this last wave, we can have some delay. For example, let's just say delay. After 3 seconds, we want to reopen our level to restart our game. So we can get the current level name, and with that we can open a level by name, right? And we can connect it like this and it will reopen our game. Now if the current wave was not bigger than length, we want to call the update wave, right? And in here I want to add some delay as well before spawning the wave. So in here we say delay 2 seconds. I think it's more than enough, right? Now with that done, whenever the last wave happen in our wave counter, we want to get that. So in here on our spawner, I want to get our spawner over here as well and bind to that event. Bind to event last wave, right? That's it. Now, if this last wave will happen, we want a custom event to happen. So we say custom event, add a custom event. We can say all waves is cleared, right? This is just a event. And in case of this event, we want to create a function. I can just duplicate this announced wave and I can call it announced clear, right? And inside this announced clear, we don't want to show a wave number. What we want to show, we want to just say cleared all waves. That's it. After that, we play the animation. Beautiful. Now let's just go to event graph. We want to use this announced clear function over here. Just like this. We don't need the input in there, so we can just get rid of that just like this. Head compile, save. Now let's just test that out. If we run, this is our first wave. Let's just look at it, wave 1. And just wait until we see the enemy ship. and destroy it. That is destroyed. We are in wave 2. That is destroyed as well. There is one more. That is destroyed as well. We are in wave 3. If we finish off this wave, we will go to destroy this one, cleared all waves, and after 3 seconds the game will be restarted and we start from wave 1.